Hello, garden lovers. Welcome to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you cultivate beauty and functionality in every corner of your outdoor and indoor spaces. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's transforming urban gardening and small space living with vertical garden planters. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. If you've ever dreamt of lush greenery, vibrant flowers, or a thriving edible garden but felt limited by space, this is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from the fundamentals to stunning design ideas, to help you create your own vertical oasis. To begin, let's establish a clear understanding of what constitutes a vertical garden planter. Simply put, a vertical garden planter is a system designed to allow plants to grow vertically, typically on a wall or a freestanding structure rather than horizontally across the ground. The core principle remains consistent: to cultivate plants upwards, creating a lush, multi-dimensional display of foliage, flowers, or edibles. Moving on to the advantages, the benefits of incorporating vertical garden planters into your space are numerous and highly impactful. In an increasingly urbanized world where horizontal garden space is a luxury, vertical planters allow you to grow a significant amount of plant life in a minimal footprint. This is particularly valuable for apartment dwellers, small homeowners, or anyone looking to green up a confined area. Beyond space efficiency, vertical gardens offer enhanced aesthetics. They transform drab walls or fences into vibrant living art, adding a dynamic and natural element to any decor. Imagine a blank wall adorned with cascading blooms or a fragrant herb garden right outside your kitchen. For edible gardens, vertical systems can lead to easier harvesting and reduced pest issues, as plants are elevated from ground-dwelling insects and diseases often associated with soil contact. They also offer improved drainage and aeration for plants, contributing to healthier root systems. Finally, these systems can even provide insulation for buildings, reducing energy consumption by cooling interiors in warm climates. Now, let's address the artistic aspect. How to design your vertical garden planters for maximum visual appeal. Achieving a beautiful vertical garden involves a thoughtful approach to plant selection, arrangement, and the overall structure. Consider the right plant, right place axiom. Begin by evaluating the light conditions of your chosen vertical space. Is it full sun, partial shade, or deep shade? This will dictate the types of plants that will thrive. Next, think about plant textures, colors, and sizes. Combine plants with varying leaf shapes and hues to create visual interest. For instance, pair broad-leafed succulents with delicate ferns or vibrant annuals with trailing ivy. Arrange plants strategically, placing taller or more robust specimens at the bottom or back, and cascading or shorter plants towards the top or front. Symmetry can provide a sense of order, while an asymmetrical arrangement can offer a more organic and dynamic feel. Beyond the plants themselves, the planter system's design is crucial. Choose materials and styles that complement your existing decor or the architectural style of your home. A sleek metal system might suit a modern aesthetic, while reclaimed wood planters could enhance a rustic or bohemian theme. Incorporate elements like decorative lighting or small accents to further enhance the beauty. Remember that a vertical garden is a living installation, so regular maintenance, including pruning and tidying, will ensure it remains a stunning focal point. Finally, let's discuss the practical considerations of materials. The choice of material for your vertical garden planters significantly impacts their durability, aesthetic, and suitability for different environments. Each material offers distinct advantages. 1. Plastic or recycled plastic. These are among the most common and affordable options. They are lightweight, resistant to rot and rust, and often come in modular designs, making them easy to install and expand. Recycled plastic is an environmentally conscious choice. However, some plastic can degrade over time with UV exposure, and certain types may not be as aesthetically pleasing as natural materials. Two, wood. Wood, such as cedar, redwood, or treated pine, offers a warm, natural aesthetic that blends seamlessly with many outdoor and indoor decors. It's versatile and can be crafted into various designs, from simple palette gardens to elaborate tiered structures. The drawbacks include susceptibility to rot and insect damage, requiring regular sealing or treatment, and it can be heavier than plastic. 3. Metal. Materials like steel, aluminum, or wrought iron provide a modern, industrial, and highly durable option. Metal planters are robust, weather-resistant, and can support significant weight, making them suitable for larger plants or more extensive systems. However, they can be more expensive, may heat up in direct sun affecting plant roots, and some metals can rust if not properly treated or maintained. 4. Felt pockets. These are soft, lightweight, and often made from recycled plastic bottles. Felt pocket planters are excellent for wall-mounted systems, providing good drainage and aeration. They are particularly suitable for herbs, succulents, and smaller annuals. Their primary limitation is often a shorter lifespan compared to rigid materials, and they can dry out faster. 5. Terracotta or ceramic. These natural porous materials offer excellent breathability for plant roots and a classic earthy look. They are often used in stacked or wall-mounted pot designs. While aesthetically pleasing, they can be heavy, fragile, and prone to cracking in freezing temperatures. The ideal material will depend on your budget, climate, desired aesthetic, and the specific plants you intend to grow. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 excellent vertical garden planter ideas, complete with detailed descriptions to inspire your next project. 1. Pallet garden. This DIY-friendly option repurposes wooden pallets into multi-tiered planters. Simply add landscape fabric or planter boxes to the slats, fill with soil, and plant. It's incredibly cost-effective and creates a rustic, charming aesthetic, perfect for herbs, strawberries, or small annuals. 2. Modular wall pockets. These systems consist of individual pockets or panels, often made from felt or plastic, that attach directly to a wall. They are highly versatile, allowing for intricate designs and easy plant arrangement, ideal for creating living walls with a mix of succulents, ferns, or flowering plants. 3. Stacked planter towers. These freestanding structures feature multiple tiers of planters stacked vertically, often rotating for optimal sun exposure. They are excellent for maximizing yield in small spaces and are popular for growing strawberries, leafy greens, or a variety of small edibles. 4. Rain gutter garden. Old rain gutters can be repurposed into horizontal planting troughs, mounted in rows on a fence or wall. This is a creative and budget-friendly solution, providing ample linear planting space for herbs, lettuce, or shallow-rooted flowers. 5. PVC pipe wall garden. PVC pipes can be cut, drilled, and mounted horizontally or vertically to create a unique and highly customizable planter system. This option is durable, lightweight, and suitable for a range of plants, often seen in hydroponic or aquaponic setups. 6. Ladder planter. An old wooden ladder can be transformed into a stylish vertical garden by placing potted plants on each rung or attaching small shelves. This provides a charming, multi-level display, perfect for showcasing a collection of houseplants indoors or small flowering plants outdoors. 7. Tiered herb spiral. While not strictly a planter, a herb spiral is a brilliant vertical gardening concept. Stones or bricks are used to create a rising spiral structure filled with soil, providing different microclimates and excellent drainage for various herbs. Eight. Bottle garden wall. Repurpose plastic bottles by cutting openings and stringing them together or mounting them onto a frame. This is an incredibly eco-friendly and inexpensive way to create a vertical garden, often used for growing seedlings or small vegetables. 9. Trellis with climbing plants. A simple trellis made from wood or metal can support a variety of climbing plants, such as beans, peas, cucumbers, or flowering vines like morning glories. This traditional method naturally utilizes vertical space and can provide both beauty and shade. 10. Freestanding metal shelf unit. A sturdy metal shelving unit can be placed against a wall or in a corner with potted plants arranged on each shelf. This offers flexibility for rearrangement and is ideal for creating an indoor vertical garden with a variety of houseplants or a balcony garden with mixed container plants. As we conclude, it's clear that vertical garden planters offer a powerful and practical solution for anyone looking to expand their gardening horizons, regardless of space limitations. From enhancing aesthetics and improving air quality to providing fresh produce and mitigating pests, the benefits are undeniable. By understanding the different types, materials, and design principles, you are now equipped to embark on your own vertical gardening journey. Are you ready to transform your space with the beauty and efficiency of a vertical garden? Share your favorite vertical garden ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Let's grow upwards together.